In this video, we're going to show you 5 ways to help you reduce your water bill and end up with more money in your pocket. Do you have a faucet that constantly drips? Or a toilet that's constantly running? Well, they may seem like small issues, but those are adding up on your water bill. Did you know that a faucet that drips 1 drip per second could use over 3,000 gallons of water per year? Or in other terms, 180 showers. A toilet that constantly runs could be using over a gallon of water per minute. Not only that, but they could be drawing salt from your water softener and making you refill your water softener with salt more often. Be mindful of how much water you use on everyday tasks. When you're brushing your teeth, shut off the water if you're not using it. When you're taking a shower, maybe reduce the amount of time you're just standing there. When you do your laundry or washing your dishes in the dishwasher, make sure both are packed full so you don't run multiple loads, therefore using more water and adding to your water bill. I get it. We all want a nice looking lawn. We love that green, lush grass. But how much water does your lawn actually need? When are you watering it? If you're watering your lawn middle of the day when it's at its hottest, that water might not be getting into your grass, but evaporating before it has a chance. And that makes you have to water more to make sure that your grass is getting enough water to grow and look great. So think about how much water you need to give to your lawn and when you're watering your lawn in a way to reduce your water bill. The first 3 examples are really easy, everyday things that you can do. The next 2 require a little bit more work. How old is your dishwasher? How old is your washing machine? How old is your water heater? Those old appliances might not be as efficient as newer models and using more water to do everything. So another way to reduce your water bill is think about upgrading some of those appliances, such as a dishwasher, a water heater, or your washing machine. Finally, you can install low flow appliances to reduce water usage with everyday appliances, such as toilets, faucets, and shower heads. Those are 5 ways that you can reduce your water bill today. I'm sure I missed a few. Comment below with your favorite ways to save on your water bill. And remember, at Dean's, we do plumbing.